Good morning, everyone. Bezat Hashem, Mincha is going to be 7:10. When it comes to Birkat HaIlanot, as we were discussing the last few days, one has to know that the brachot have to be said on trees that are not grafted in a prohibited fashion. Meaning to say, a tree that was really a combination of two different trees that were mixed together and made into a tree that produced fruits, let's say, and you had two of these types of trees, you shouldn't say Birkat HaIlanot on it, because they are grafted trees, and grafted trees are trees that are essentially against what HaKadosh Baruch Hu wanted in His world, and to say a bracha praising HaKadosh Baruch Hu on something that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is against in this world, it doesn't make too much sense. However, that being said, in practicality, it doesn't really apply much, and the reason is because although many of the fruits that are out there are grafted, it's a huge industry, the grafting industry. They combine things because otherwise it takes too long to grow, or that it doesn't get the right nutrients. But even still, most of the grafting that's done is not considered prohibited because it's within a species. It's not grafting from one species to a different species. It's taken from the same line and grafting. So that kind of grafting is not asur from the Torah. They're all viewed as one species, and it's permitted. There are notable exceptions, but by and large, most of the trees that you'll see are not considered to be grafted trees, or they don't come from grafted trees. One example that's an exception is quinces. Quinces, very interestingly, is a grafted fruit in a prohibited fashion. It's an apple and a pear, and it was put together, made into a quince. So they sell those in stores. That might be one of the few exceptions. But otherwise, lemons, oranges, apricots, all these other things that they have out there are all not considered grafted trees, and one could lechatchila say a bracha on those fruit trees if you see the flowering, the budding of it. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.